My brother and I got lost in the woods, so he hid me behind a tree. Part 3. After our fun ordeal in the woods, my brother and I couldn't shake off the need to understand what had happened. We had heard rumors about the plant known as horny goatweed growing in the region, since my brother found one small cave filled with mushrooms. Our curiosity got the best of us, especially after he blew out my back like that. So we decided to go back and spend a week in the woods to study it. As we drove, I couldn't help but to be all over Jake. So I had to give him the slurp, gurt, glizzy gobbler throat swirl as he drove. We arrived early in the morning. I was wearing just a black sports bra and tight shorts because it was around 103 degrees. The forest was looking very deceptively serene under the clear, sunny sky. We parked our camper near the trailhead and started our hike, equipped with better maps, GPS devices, a tent, and enough supplies to last us a week. We were determined to find the plant that my brother used on me and understand more about the effects. The park ranger, who had helped us previously, warned us that the area had been closed off due to the overgrowing of the plant. We needed to sneak in. We trekked deeper into the forest, following a path we had marked on our previous visit, the Big X. It wasn't long before we reached the area where we had encountered the cave. This time it felt different, romantic, almost unnaturally so. We set up our camp near a cluster of caves that we believed housed more of the horny goatweed. The first day went smoothly. We went down into the small crater, collected samples, took notes, and even managed to find a few patches of the plant. It was fascinating how quickly we felt the effect. Before I could take some more and put my journal in my bag, I was forced against the side of the rock. You can guess what happened next. Follow for part 4.